Replacing windows is one of the most effective ways to improve the energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetic appeal of your Bel Air home. New windows are a significant investment, so it's essential to care for them properly to ensure they continue to perform at their best for years to come. Fortunately, maintaining your new windows doesn't have to be complicated. With a little regular care and attention, you can protect your investment and keep your windows looking and functioning like new. In this guide, we'll cover practical steps for maintaining your newly replaced windows, so you can enjoy their benefits for the long term. Regular cleaning of glass. Keeping your window glass clean not only enhances the appearance of your home but also helps maintain its energy efficiency. Dirt, grime, and environmental debris can build up on your windows, blocking natural light and reducing the insulating properties of your windows. In Bel Air, where the weather can be variable and sometimes windy, your windows might collect dust and pollen that can affect visibility and performance. To clean your window glass, use a non-abrasive glass cleaner and a soft cloth or microfiber towel. Avoid harsh chemicals or rough scrubbing pads that could scratch the surface of the glass. For stubborn spots, a mixture of water and vinegar, in equal parts, works well to cut through residue. Be sure to clean both the inside and outside of your windows to ensure the best visibility and light penetration. If your windows are particularly high or hard to reach, consider using a professional window cleaning service to avoid the risk of damage and to ensure a streak-free finish. Clean and lubricate the tracks. For windows that slide open and closed, such as sliding windows or double-hung windows, it's important to keep the tracks free from dirt, debris, and dust. Over time, the buildup in the tracks can make your windows harder to open and close, affecting their performance and longevity. To clean the tracks, use a small vacuum or brush to remove loose debris. Then, wipe the tracks down with a damp cloth. If you notice any sticky residues, use a mild detergent mixed with water to gently clean the tracks. Lubricating the moving parts of your windows is just as important. A silicone-based lubricant is ideal because it won't attract dirt and grime. Apply a small amount to the tracks, hinges, and any other moving parts, and then open and close the window a few times to distribute the lubricant evenly. Regular lubrication will keep your windows operating smoothly, preventing unnecessary wear and tear. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping around the edges of your windows is crucial for energy efficiency. It helps to seal out drafts, preventing heated or cooled air from escaping, which can reduce your energy bills and improve comfort in your Bel Air home. Over time, the weather stripping can become worn, cracked, or damaged, especially after extreme weather conditions. Inspect the weather stripping periodically and replace any sections that appear damaged. This can be done yourself with a simple weather stripping kit, which is available at most hardware stores. Replacing the weather stripping helps ensure that your new windows maintain their insulating properties and continue to prevent drafts. Check for leaks and seal gaps. While your new windows should be properly sealed during installation, it's a good idea to periodically check for any gaps or leaks around the window frame. Pay special attention to areas where the frame meets the wall, as this is where leaks are most likely to occur. Gaps around windows can lead to energy loss, moisture damage, and a decrease in your home's overall energy efficiency. If you notice any gaps, use caulk to reseal them. Choose a high-quality caulk that is designed for exterior use, especially if you're dealing with outdoor elements. Applying caulk around the edges of your windows helps to further prevent drafts and moisture intrusion, which is especially important in the often unpredictable weather of Bel Air. Inspect window frames for damage. While vinyl, wood, and fiberglass frames are generally low maintenance, they still need occasional care. Inspect the frames for any signs of damage, such as cracks, peeling paint, or discoloration. For wooden frames, look for signs of rot, which can occur if moisture gets trapped in the wood. If you have wooden frames, make sure to repaint or restain them regularly to protect against weather damage. Sand down any areas with peeling paint and apply a fresh coat to ensure your frames remain protected. For vinyl and fiberglass frames, simply wipe them down with a damp cloth and check for any cracks or chips. Minor repairs can be done using sealants specifically made for the frame material. Handle your windows with care, while regular cleaning and maintenance are key. Proper use of your windows is also important to ensure their longevity. Avoid slamming windows or putting excessive pressure on the glass or frame. When closing a window, make sure it's done gently to avoid unnecessary stress on the components. If you have windows with locks, make sure to use the locks correctly to avoid damage. For windows that require tilting for cleaning, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to avoid damaging the tilt mechanism. Avoid using heavy or sharp objects near your windows that could cause scratches or dents in the glass or frame. Schedule professional inspection. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, having your windows professionally inspected periodically can help identify any potential issues before they become serious problems. A professional can spot issues like gaps, frame damage, or seals that need attention, and they can perform repairs or maintenance to keep your windows in optimal condition. Conclusion: maintaining your new windows after replacement in Bel Air doesn't have to be difficult. By regularly cleaning your windows, inspecting the weather stripping and seals, lubricating moving parts, and checking for any damage, you'll be able to preserve their appearance, energy efficiency, and functionality. Following these simple steps will not only protect your investment but will also keep your home comfortable and beautiful for years to come.